Now, let me take advantage of this video that I'm using to organize my scrunchies. I want to seal these openings. So let me take advantage of this video to talk to you and tell you where you can sell your scrunchies. So hi, if you're a stay-at-home mom, I'm here to help you sell your scrunchies from home because I know it is difficult, quite difficult, to sell your stuff outside with your children at home. So, without wasting time, my first platform where I sold my very first, the first platform where I sold my very first scrunchies was on my WhatsApp. Yes, I put the scrunchies on my WhatsApp status, and majority of those who bought from me are the people who know me. It is very easy to sell to people who know you as you start out, especially if you don't have a website, if you don't have a shop, if you're just selling from home. It's quite easy to sell to people you know because they already trust you. They already trust you. That's why it's very quite easy to sell to them. The second avenue I explored to sell my scrunchies is through physical selling. Yes, I decided to carry my scrunchies, even 10. I decided to carry like 10 the first time I went out, especially church. I carried 10 in my bag. So when I got there, I showed my friends at church. Yes, they were excited. They bought it because also the price is quite reasonable. So it's quite easy for them to buy. I sell them at 50 shillings. So the moment they saw and they asked, hey, how much do you sell this for? Then I told them I sell them, they're going for only 50 shillings. So they bought. The third avenue I'm exploring right now, which by God's grace I'll begin as the new year starts, I'm going to sell through hawking. Yes, get me. I'm not the one going to hawk them, but I have a friend who does hawking. He sells candies. So he hawks them, walks around the bus stations. So I approached him and requested him if possible I can add him my products, these crunches, so he can go around selling them. At the end of the day, I give him some commission. And gladly he said yes. I was so excited because that is now a bigger market, a broader market. It's quite easy there to sell as many as possible. So by God's grace, when the year begins, I'm going to be giving him the scrunchies to sell through hawking. Then the fourth way I'm selling my scrunchies from home is through wearing them. I told you when I go out, I wear them. So when I wear them, people see them. When people see them, even if you see something beautiful, you'll be compelled to ask, where did you get this from? Where did you get that from? So that is also a way by which I sell my scrunchies, through advertising them myself, wearing them. So mama, those are the 4 ways you can use to sell your scrunchies from home. Number 1, selling through your WhatsApp status. Post them on your status. The second thing is sell them to your friends. When you go to church, show your friends your products. The people who already know you, trust you. So make sure you show them your products. The third way I'm selling my scrunchies, because I'm based at home, I wear them myself. When I go out, I make sure to wear them so others may see. Then the fourth way I sell my scrunchies is through hawking, the new avenue that I'll be exploring by God's grace as the year begins. I have a friend who will be selling them for me. He does candy hawking. He hawks candies around the bus stations. So I'm trusting and hoping that that is going to be one of the biggest avenues for me to sell these scrunchies very fast. So those are the 4 ways that I use to sell my scrunchies. Don't worry if you don't have a website right now, you don't have a shop, you can still sell your products with no pressure, just selling them at your own pace. So these are my products, the scrunchies that I'm going to seal. That's why I'm arranging them here according to the thread that I'm going to use in sewing them. So this one goes with this. I'm going to use the navy blue one, and then this green one, I can see the green color here. I'm going to use it now to seal this opening. Even this one I can use the green one, or the white one will do. This one white will do for me. Even this white will do. So mama, start sewing your scrunchies. Start sewing your scrunchies. Don't worry about selling them. You are going to sell. So in my next video, I'll be trying to sew with you, so you see how many scrunchies I can make in a day. That small gap of time that I get when the baby naps or when the children go to bed at night. So until then, bye. See you. Make sure you don't stop sewing. If you don't have a machine, start stitching the scrunchies with your hand. I have a video in this channel whereby we sew with our hands without the machine. So make sure you go and check that video. If you still don't have the machine, you can start and the machine will find you on the way. So until next time, bye mama. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss when I upload the next videos.